guys, it's Autumn. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a TTDEYE unboxing and review for you guys for the contact lenses. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and put on the bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. So let's just get into the unboxing. Okay, so it comes in this little box like this, and then, you know. And so I ordered 3 pairs of contacts. They have a sale going on, so if you buy 2, you get 1 for free. But if you don't want to buy 3, you can always buy 1 and use my code autumnchevonne for 10% off. So it's pretty good, you know, if you just want to get 1 pair and try it out, and if you don't want to get 3. It all comes in this box right here, and it comes with some tattoos. Cute. And it also comes with a little handheld mirror to help you put your contacts in, you know, if you want a mirror. It also comes with this little cute note, and it just says especially for you. And then I thought that this was really cute. It comes with a glitter, 3 things of glitter. I don't know what I'm going to do with the glitter, but it's so cute. And then of course it comes with the contacts. Whenever you open up the box, it'll come like this. And also there's like these stickers that go on the boxes that tell you the colors, but I put them on the contact boxes, the cases, because I didn't want to get them mixed up. But whenever you open it, it comes with these little tweezers to help you, I don't know, I use them to get them out sometimes if it's too hard to get with my fingers, because I don't want to ruin the contact. And then it also comes with this little plunger looking thing. I guess you can use it to like take the contacts out, and then of course the actual case for the contacts. I bought a solution from Walmart. It's just the Equi brand. It's like literally $3, but yeah, I got it for the soft contacts because these are the soft kinds. And if you have like a certain prescription, they have whenever you go to check out, it has like an option for the left eye and the right eye. If you like need a certain prescription, it'll do that for you, so that's pretty handy. So the colors that I got Polar Lights blue gray, and I got the yellow green Polar Lights, and then of course I got the Queen Brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in to, you know, show you guys what they look like. So my eyes of course are just like a poop brown, boring. Okay, so I put one of the Queen Brown contact lenses in so you can see the difference between just like my normal brown eyes and the Queen Brown. Okay, so I finished putting in the Queen Brown. This is what they look like. I really do like them because they aren't boring like my regular eye color. So yeah, this is what they look like. So this is Queen Brown. This is one of my favorites. It's the blue-gray Polar Lights. I got one of them in, and I just think that these look so pretty. And they actually like show up kind of blue on my eyes because my eyes are brown. So like you'd think that maybe my eyes would be too dark, you wouldn't be able to see the blue. But you can actually see it, and I love it. So I'm going to put in the other one to show you guys what it looks like. I just put the other contact in, and this is what they look like. I am so obsessed with this. They look so pretty. So this is the last of the 3, and it's the yellow-green Polar Lights. So this is what both contacts look like in. I love this just as much as the blue. For sure, I like the Polar Lights collection way more than the Queen Brown. That's just my opinion because these are just so freaking pretty. Oh my god, I like them a lot. So guys, if you liked any of these contact lenses and you want to try them out for yourself, I will link the website down below in the description box, and you can browse their website, see what they have. They have more than contacts, they have makeup and stuff, but they are known for their lenses. And then you can use my code autumnchevonne for 10% off of your order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and put on my post notifications so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.